In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure elements within a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you've ever wondered how to measure distances or even calculate areas directly in your PDF documents, this is the guide for you. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer and locate the PDF file you'd like to measure. Once your document is open, you'll want to focus on the Tools pane. You can find the Tools pane either on the right side or the top of your screen, depending on how your interface is set up. Click on it to access a variety of options. Now that you're in the Tools pane, you'll need to find and select the Measure tool. It might be listed under either Measure or the Analyze tools, so keep an eye out for those terms. This tool is essential for measuring different aspects within your PDF. Next, you'll need to choose which specific measuring tool you'd like to use. Adobe Acrobat Pro provides several options tailored for different needs. If you're looking to measure a straight line distance between 2 points, the Distance tool is your best bet. For measuring the perimeter of a certain shape or path, the Perimeter tool will come in handy. Meanwhile, if your goal is to calculate the area inside a defined shape, the Area tool is the one you'll want to select. Once you have your desired tool selected, click on your PDF at the point where you want to start your measurement. If you're using the Distance tool, simply click once where you'd like to begin and once more where you'd like to end, and voila, your measurement will appear on your screen. For the Perimeter and Area tools, continue clicking at each point to outline your shape, and when you are satisfied with the path, double-click to complete the measurement. After taking your measurement, you'll see the results displayed in a small box near your selection, as well as in the measurement toolbar. These results provide a clear and immediate understanding of the dimensions or area you've just calculated. If you want to adjust the units of your measurement to better suit your needs, you can do so effortlessly. Simply click on the Measurement Properties or Settings icon to switch between units, such as inches, feet, centimeters, and millimeters. This feature is particularly useful if you're working on documents that need precise dimensional accuracy in various measurement systems. Finally, if you're satisfied with your measurements and want to keep them as annotations in your document, don't forget to save your file. By doing so, you ensure that your annotations are preserved for future reference. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to measuring elements in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Feel free to practice on different documents and get comfortable with these tools. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.